Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an add-on domain in CPanel. Again, this is something that commonly comes up with my customers, and it's something that I think a lot of people would potentially find helpful. So I'm going to show you how you can add an add-on domain to a hosting plan in SiteGround, but it's also the same methodology for any major hosting company that uses CPanel, which is the industry standard for website hosting. So if you use the same steps in this video for GoDaddy, for example, you'll be able to do the same thing. So the first thing you need to do is access your CPanel. In SiteGround, you can do this by logging into your account, and then there's a big CPanel button, I think, if memory serves. In GoDaddy, for example, you need to go into your account and then access the CPanel by clicking into the hosting part of your account. And then you need to find the add-on domains button within CPanel, which for me is right here. I'm just going to click onto add-on domains and just show you how simple it is to add an add-on domain. Just to give you a bit of background, so add-on domains are useful, for example, if you purchase SiteGround, have a, I think it's Grow Big, I think it's called, a Grow Big hosting plan where you can have unlimited domains on a shared hosting plan. So this is quite useful if you have a lot of very small websites or a lot of small websites that you'd like to host on the one hosting plan and save yourself some money. So you would need to purchase additional domains, add them as add-on domains to your hosting plan using this process, and then install WordPress to the individual domains. As you can see, it's a pretty simple system. So we would need to add our new domain name. So for example, newdomain.com. You have the option of adding a subdomain if you wanted to. This is where the website will live on your CPanel, so it will have its own subfolder. And then you would set yourself a password here. So just type in some fictional password, ABCDEFG. Okay. And you would then just click add domain. I'll just do it anyway, just to show you how it works. So the new add-on domain has been created. It's been added to my account. So now if I go back to my CPanel, I would now be able to install WordPress to the add-on domain. So I'll just select my newdomain.com and I would install WordPress as I would any other website, and it will install correctly. One other note, you'll have to issue a free SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt if the domain isn't hosted in your SiteGround account, which you can use from here. But yeah, as you can see, it's a relatively simple and painless process. Add the domain to your hosting plan, make sure you set it up correctly and make a note of the passwords. Then you'll be able to install WordPress or the CMS of your choice using your CPanel. Hopefully you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe for future videos. There's new video content released all the time on my channel. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.